Hello, Heartbreakers. Welcome to class today. I have the very beast of a woman, Lindsay, to be my model today for the workout. So we're very, very lucky to have her do the workout with us today. And in today's class, it's a strength class. So basically, we're going to be starting class off by warming up the upper body. Then we're going to take it to our 5th lunge series to really get in your hamstrings. Then we're going to do some inner thigh work with some sumo squats. Then we got a lot of oblique work as well. And yes, this is just truly like the epitome of full body in today's class. Fast transitions. And yes, it's going to be serious body burn all over the place. Oh, yes. So yes. And so you will need a source of stability today. So whether it's your pole or a Swiffer or a wall, use that. You're going to need it. You want to have your handlebars attached to your back platform. And then you want to be having your cables, your black cables. They have to be the longest extension when you start. And then when we get to 5th lunge, you want to shorten the cables so that they are proportional to your height. So the 5th lunge will make sense for your body. So without further ado, Heartbreaker, let's get this class started. Woo! Woo! All right, Heartbreakers. So before we get started, make sure that you are on one black, one white spring, and you're going to need the fullest extension of your cables to start the class. And we're starting off in a giant sumo squat with bicep curl. So yes, so change your springs, Heartbreaker, and we are going to get started. So you want to basically be at the front platform. This is the back platform of the machine. And we're going to be getting into like a second position, like if I'd be doing a ballet class, toes turned out. And we're just going to be squatting down, just like Lindsay here, bicep curling in, and resisting and coming right back up. So we're here for 90 seconds. So coming down for 1, down 2, down 3, keeping your core engaged. So I want you to inhale through your nose, release the curl. Exhale, pull your belly button into spine, bicep curl like that. So again, we're warming up our shoulders, warming up our hips, our knees, our ankles for the rest of this class. So bringing it down, coming down as far as you can to, let's say about 90 degrees, then I want you to press away with the outer edges of your heels and the outer edges of your feet as you come right back up. So like I said a second ago, we're warming up our hips because we are prepping for a 5th lunge that we have coming up very shortly. All right, so you should be feeling that. Yes, how are you feeling, Lindsay?
Woo! Fire.
Good, yes, I love it. Yes, strong, exactly. So I want you to feel your biceps working. I want you to feel the stabilization of your lats working as well. Make sure that your chest is wide open. It's so easy to round our spines here, but again, I really want you to make sure that you're opening up that chest. Have a beautiful, proud chest here, Heartbreaker. So we have about 20 seconds left here. Keep that breathing going. Bring it down, release it, and resist up. So anytime you're squatting or lunging, I want you to resist down, and I want you to resist right back up. So it should never feel easy or simple. Okay. Coming up, we're going to be having some intervals. We're going to be holding it down in 4, Heartbreaker, in 3, 2, and 1. So let's hold it right here for 10 seconds. I want your heels to smash your floor. I want you to squeeze your cables. Keep your shoulders rolled back. Relax your face. Relax your upper traps. Big inhale through your nose. Big exhale, squeeze your abs and presses. Push, press, push, press. There we go, Lindsay. Push, press. Push, press. Round 1 of 3, Heartbreaker. Push, press, push, press. We have that hold. 3, 2, and let's hold it here. So anytime you're in a hold, I want you to breathe through it. Big inhale. Exhale, squeeze your abs, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, all right? Feel that engagement happening. Press is round 2, 3, 2, 1. Push, press, push, press, push, press. Yes, there we go, Lindsay. You got it. Push, press. Keep that core engaged. Keep your muscles and your back engaged. Push, press. Last hold in 4, 3, 2, 1. Holding it right here. Yes. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I want your mind to really visualize the muscles that are working in your body, okay? Last presses in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Heartbreaker. Push, press, push, press, push. There we go, Lindsay. Beautiful. Push, press, push, press. Final 5. We're going to be taking it into a row in 3, 2, 1. Yes. All right. So Lindsay, let's cross. Heartbreaker, let's cross the cable. And we're going to be squatting down, pulling in, squeezing our shoulder blades together, and resisting slowly right back up. Yes. There we go. So bring it down, squeeze shoulder blades together, and resist and rise back up. So once again, once you're coming up in the squat, I want you to press away with the outer edges of your feet so you can keep your hips in external rotation. All right, so always do that. Bring it down. There we go, Lindsay. Nice. And resisting right back up. So again, you're resisting down and you're resisting up. Imagine if you've ever maybe been inside a pool or been inside the ocean and you were trying to move, but that water was stopping you. I want you to pretend that that's happening right now. You're in a pool, you're in a big pool filled with water doing this movement, and you feel the water stopping you down, and you're feeling the water stopping you, preventing you from coming right back up. Yes, there we go, Lindsay. So big inhale. Exhale, squeeze your lower abs, squeeze your pelvic floor as you come up. I want you to do that every single rep, all right? Inhale, bring it down. Pull it in, squeeze, and resist it. Yes, you want to feel your elbows drawing back. So every time, I want you to really visualize, feel elbows draw back, and then resist coming right back up. We've got 20 seconds until we take it into our next upper body exercise. So we're prepping the upper body for the rest of this class, prepping our hips for the rest of this class. So you're going to be super warmed up. So this workout's going to feel really nice on your body. Doesn't mean it's not going to be challenging. It's going to feel good, just more doable. Okay. We're going to take it to a hold with the lower body. 3, 2, 1. Let's hold it here. And now I just want to take it to newspaper. So just open up. Yes. And resist it right back in. Yeah. Nice, Lindsay. Keep your elbows underneath your shoulders. I just don't want to have the elbows coming away from the rib cage. So elbows pulled in. Again, I really want your chest to be open. I don't want you to be doing the newspaper with the rounded shoulders. It's got to be really open chest. Okay. And again, core is engaged the whole time. So I want you to exhale as you open it. Inhale through your nose as your palms come closer together. There we go. Inhale, exhale, pull your abs in. Inhale, resist in. Exhale, pull the abs in and go right back out. Inhale, bring it in. Exhale, squeeze your abs. Beautiful. That's it. Nice, Lindsay. And if you are feeling like it's too much for the lower body or it's burning too much, you can be a little bit higher if that's better for you instead of as low as that. We have 20 seconds left until we finish our warm up for today's class, Heartbreaker. There we go, Lindsay. I love it. So make sure, again, face is relaxed here. Your upper traps are relaxed. We've got 10 more seconds left. So we have our transition. All right, let's do it one more time. Big inhale through your nose. Exhale, pressurize your core. Yes, and let's let it go. All right, Heartbreaker, next up, we're gonna be doing King Cobra. So you're gonna wanna be on one black spring, and if you would like more intensity, one black, one white spring. So bring your knees on the carriage, you're facing the back of the machine, and I want you to bring your hands at the farthest bar of your front platform. Make sure your arms are shoulder width apart, so make sure that they're not too narrow for this exercise, and I want you to relax your face, relax your upper traps, and you're gonna start to pull yourself up and pull yourself all the way in. And then you're resisting the tension right back out. So resisting, dropping the torso, making sure that your spine is neutral. Maybe Lindsay, bring your hips a little bit higher and then stick out your butt. Yes, okay, good. So make sure that the tailbone is nice and long, Heartbreaker. I don't want you to tuck that tailbone in this exercise, all right? So yes, so you're using your lats. You're using your lats, you're using your triceps and your shoulders and your core to pull yourself in. So you're pulling yourself in, you're feeling all your strength working, and then make sure that you're not rushing the resisting parts of the exercise, because when you're resisting out, that's the eccentric phase of your muscle contractions that are working. So we don't want to rush it. Gains are to be had on the way in and gains are to be had on the way right back out. Yes, there we go, Lindsay, nice. You're pulling it all the way in, pull, pull, pull. And like stop at the top for like a second, squeeze, and then resist right back out. There we go, nice. Keeping your spine neutral, right? So just make sure that you're not rounding in this exercise. Honestly, when it comes to this workout, there's only very few times where we round our spine, like when we do a kneeling crunch. So you really want to always be having this neutral spine. All right, Heartbreaker. So we have about 25 seconds left here until we take it to 2 variations. So inhale back, exhale, belly button to spine, squeeze your pelvic floor and pull yourself in. So again, you want your core to be working just as much as your upper body in this exercise. Inhale back, exhale, pull it in. And we're gonna hold 3, 2, 1. All right, Lindsay, so holding it right here, yes. So holding it here, make sure your shoulders are far away from your ears. I want you to breathe here. I want you to activate your core. Inhale through your nose, ribs expanding. Exhale, pressurize your core, pull belly button to spine, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles. Inhale, slightly relax it. Make sure you're relaxing your upper traps, you're relaxing your face. Exhale, squeeze it in. So in this isometric hold here, we're building strength in the lats, all right? We're gonna take it to a double time. We're gonna go out, in, in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, heartbreaker. Out, in. It's out, it's in. Neutral spine the whole time. Make sure your tailbone's nice and long. So again, if I start to not have a neutral spine, I don't want to do that and move fast. I want to have a neutral spine with this quick, explosive movement. Out, and it's in. Out, it's in. Feel your triceps burning, feeling your lats working so hard. Your core is working here too. You got 9, you got 8. There we go, Lindsay. We got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's take a break for a second.